Hello, this video brought to you by Sankran.
Visualforce Beyond Basics pass actions to components. We can pass different types of data into components so that the component is more generic and it renders properly for different use cases. Let's see what are the data types we can pass into. We can pass primitive data types like string, data, date, numbers, decimals, like that. And then, of course, as objects, both standard and custom objects, and all the collections, set, list, map. And of course, this is not documented, but we can pass all the classes in system namespace like select option. What really, not all, but whatever is useful in Visualforce context, like select option, apex pages dot action, really those kind of things. Whatever is used for Visualforce pages, and then obviously the custom classes or interface we can pass. You can cover all the business cases with this type of data and custom actions. As I never came across any problem or inability for a component to make it more generic, so that I couldn't accomplish any solution. It's possible to do. It's possible to design a component in more generic way by having these attributes, having these different types, data types. So mainly the Visualforce pages needs to be component oriented. Like it should have a different components. That's all. Either we should use the standard component or a custom component as much as possible, rather than writing individual tags and using div span, things like that. If you are going to reuse it, just put it in a component and use that in a page. That will make your system company code more neat and avoids um, reinventing the wheel, things like that. So let's see. This is one of the data types to custom component which I use more often, which is apex pages dot action. This is nothing but action handlers. For example, you see when you press a button or press a link, or you give an action support or action pull, or these actions basically you can pass that to custom component from the parent page. So how it works, like you pass the data to a component so that it renders as per the data you pass, and also you can pass the actions, and the component can use that action, custom action, completely in different way, not specific to the component, is provided by the client. So this will be very interesting to see. For example, it's a component which accepts account record and action. This is the save action. So this save action is completely unknown to this component. It doesn't know what is the save action. It calls, when the user clicks this save button, it calls that save action blindly. So this implementation could be anything. So it could save the account, or it need not save the account, and it could save opportunity, blah, blah, blah. It could do anything. So it's up to the client who is using the component. And this is the client which is passing the save action and passing the account record. So let's see the example here. This is a page which actually takes which includes the component. This whole thing is a component. We are passing the account record through account ID, and then we are passing this save action. So let's see what happens when we change that. See, it updated because we passed the standard save action. So if we pass the custom action, that would have been handled in appropriate way. So this is the most powerful feature which as a developer we can use.
Don't forget to like this video and provide your comments or feedbacks below. If you like this video and want to share with friends, please share them. And if you want to notify about my future videos, please subscribe below. Thank you.